They are not. Okay, so good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are here on the exercise 5.8. If you must remember, if you must be remembering that yesterday we have covered the topic polygon. Okay, what is polygon? What is regular polygon? How to draw polygon? And also the types of polygon we have done it: decagon, nonagon, octagon, hexagon, and all. Fine. And also we have discussed what is regular and irregular polygons. Today we are here with exercise. So let's try to do questions one by one. The first question which you will find is examine whether the following are polygons or not. If anyone among them is not, say why. Okay? So now let's understand one by one which figures are polygon, which are not. The first one which is drawn is, this is exercise 5.8. The first one, if you will find, the figure is like this. And you are knowing first thing that the figure should be closed for polygon. And this figure is not a closed figure. That is why this is not a polygon. Write it down the reason, because it is not closed. Reason is compulsory to mention, beta, because it is telling in the book that you have to mention the reason also. So this is first reason that this is not a polygon, because it is a open figure. Now move on to the next one. The next one is like this. Now, yes, this is a polygon. Reason what? It is simple, it is closed, and it is entirely made up of line segment only. So yes, this is a polygon. Fine. Now let's understand the another one, which is written, which is drawn as a form of a circle. And you are knowing this is simple, this is closed, but it is not made up of only line segment. That is why this is also not a polygon. So reason kya rakhenge aap? It is not made up of line segments. This is also completed. Now let's move to the next one. Next one, we have a figure like this. Again, this is not a polygon. Simple, closed, but not made up of only line segment. We have line segment. This is also. But this is not only made up of line segment, है ना? यहाँ पर एक line जो है वो आपकी वो line segment नहीं है. That is why this is not a polygon right now. Is it completed? Question number 1. With reason you have done it. Now move on to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 says that name each polygon. So first of all, count the polygon, count the sides and name it which polygon you have right now. Question number 2, if you will follow the first one, you will have 4 line segments. What is the name of 4 line segment 1? Quadrilateral. 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 Tushita, what is the name? Quadrilateral. Okay. Now the second one, you will find the figure is looking like this. Now, yes, please count the line segments. There are 3 line segments. The figure name is triangle. Yes. No. Now move on to the next question. We have the next figure like, you have the next figure looking like this. Pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total sides are 5. So the name would be penta. Penta means 5. Pentagon. Okay. Now move on to the next one. Let's see how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 sides in total. So we have the name as octa. Octa means 8. Octagon. So total sides are 8. That is why the figure name is octagon. Now below in this question it is written make 2 more examples of each of these. So now what you do, you have to draw some more figures like this only. Triangle, you can make another kind of figure also, but take 2 more examples. Now this I am leaving on you. If you want to do it, do it. If you don't want to do it, it's fine. Leave it, practice this type of figure only. Okay, because you are knowing how to draw the figure I have already taught you. So in examination, suppose if it comes to draw a pentagon, please draw the pentagon using 5 line segments. Clear? Students, we have a next question is, draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon connecting any 3 of its vertices. Draw a triangle. Identify the type of triangle you have drawn. Now listen beta, it is telling regular hexagon. And remember, when you talk about a regular hexagon, you are talking about the line segment should be of equal length. So I would request each one of you, please draw along with me, and while making, please take care of the scale. Measure it. If you are making it 5 centimeter line, so all line segments should be 5 centimeter only. Do not draw the random figure. Is it fine to everyone? Chalo, start doing it along with me. Regular hexagon we are making. Question number 2, I think 3 it is. Regular hexagon. Please take out your scale, and while making, please take care of the measurement. The first line segment, please you make of 5 centimeter. Okay? Take scale, use 5 centimeter line segment. So this is a 5 centimeter line. No. 5 of each. 5 like that. So this is 5. Again, I am going to draw, this is 5. This is also 5. So this is 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. Now all are of 5. It means all are of same length. Now once again, 5 centimeter. Once again, 5 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now the last one again 5 centimeter. Please draw the figure of a regular hexagon. Mera wala nahi bana hai regular because I don't have scale right now. But please you draw it. It will look like regular hexagon only. Now the question is telling in the book that you have to join 3 of its vertices. कोई भी 3 vertices आपको इसकी join करनी है. So I am checking 1 vertices is this, second one is this, third one is this. Now I'm going to join it, these 3 vertices. Now I am going to shade this also. Now students do one thing. These 2 are of 5. आपने भी draw किया है. Now please measure right now in front of me only. What is the measurement of this side? Which one I am drawing it right now? If it is also 5, it means it is an equilateral triangle. If it is different from 5, that means it is which one? Which triangle? Isosceles. Because 2 are of 5, you know. 2 are already 5. If third one is also coming 5, they're equilateral triangle. If third one is different, it will be isosceles triangle. Scalar नहीं हो सकता बेटा because 2 equal हैं. चलो draw करके बताओ how much it is coming. Is it coming 5 or it is coming different? Is it coming 5? Sure. Have you drawn all 5? Just check it once. All are 5 only. You will have isosceles triangle because these 2 are 5 and another one which you will get, it will be of different measurement. So if you have 2 sides of same length, another one is of different length, we call it isosceles triangle. So this is all about question number 3 beta. Now let's move on to the question number next. Question number next is telling you have to draw a rough sketch of regular octagon this time. Regular octagon, use square paper if you wish. Draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 of the vertices of an octagon. So I want you all to please draw octagon in front of me right now. And beta, it is not written here that it is a normal octagon. It is written here regular octagon. It means again you have to take all the sides of same measurement. So take it 5 only. 5 ले लो, 4 ले लो, 3 ले लो, but all should be same. ठीक है? चलो, let's draw it now. Yes, beta? हाँ, you can. You can choose any measurement, even 3, even 2, even 5, even 4, but all should be same. Now we are going to draw regular octagon. One side, two side, three side. हमने पहले भी बनाया था 3, अभी भी हमने 3 लिया है यहाँ पे. Now 4 and this is 5. Now this is 6, this is 7 and the last one is 8. Now students, remember, you are drawing a regular figure. I am not using a scale, so that is why my figure can be little different, but your figure should be looking like this only, beta. Okay, and this is a regular octagon. Each measurement you can take it as 3 centimeter this time if you want, or you can also take another measurement according to you. So this is 3 centimeter each. You can take it, beta. It's totally up to you what you want to take it. So this is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and this is also 3 centimeter. Fine. Now it is telling here that you have to join 4 vertices. Okay, and you have to show that you should get a rectangle over there. So if we are joining these vertices, this one, and this one, you will get a rectangle over here. So I am going to draw this. You also please join it. And you will find this is a rectangle. Now, should I write it down rectangle here? Rectangle. And you can simply shade this out. Finished. This question is also completed, beta. You are getting rectangle when you are joining 4 vertices of octagon. This was all about question number 4. We have seen so many rectangles we can draw in this figure, है ना? And the figure will look good also. So I am now moving on to the next question, which is related to question number 5. It is telling a diagonal means when you connect non-adjacent vertices. Non-adjacent means which are opposite vertices. Fine. So it is telling you have to draw a pentagon and show its diagonal. A diagonal is a line segment that joins any 2 vertices of the polygon and it is not a side of the polygon. It means आप कोई भी 2 adjacent मत join करो. अगर आप 2 adjacent join करोगे आपको side मिल जाएगी. ठीक है? So you have to now look at here. Now we are drawing it question number 5 now. It's telling pentagon or regular pentagon. It's a only pentagon. So we will not take care of any measurement now. This time penta means 5. So we will be having now pentagon, 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, and this one is the last one, 5 side. Now total pentagon we have drawn. Now it is telling we have to draw diagonal and show. Remember beta, if you do diagonal, you have to join opposite vertices. Now look at here. One diagonal. Let me do it dark. This is one diagonal. This is another diagonal. Yes. Now, this is the third diagonal. This is another diagonal. And this is another diagonal. Star only. Okay? So this is all about diagonal. So we have drawn a pentagon and also joined its opposite vertices and we found we are getting now diagonals in the form of a star. है ना? हाँ, okay. But आपका star थोड़ा सा कम अच्छा लगेगा because your diagram is little tilted. You know? हाँ, that is why. But then too you will get it star only. So students, this question is completed. We have drawn a pentagon because it has 5 sides, and also we have drawn opposite vertices to show the diagonal now. So this question is completed and our 5.8 is also completed.